Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Every solar plant has panels, inverters, and energy flow, but what truly runs it, the invisible layer behind every watt, is data. Today we'll uncover how sensors, and the intelligence behind them, transform solar operations from reactive to predictive, from ordinary to exceptional. At the core of every efficient solar plant is a network of precision sensors, monitoring sunlight, temperature, wind, humidity, and electrical parameters. These sensors act as your plant's nervous system, continuously sending feedback to ClearSpot's AI platform. An irradiance sensor measures how much sunlight actually hits your panels. Temperature sensors tell you when modules are heating up, reducing voltage. Wind sensors protect your trackers from high gusts. Together they create a real-time performance snapshot of every square meter of your plant. Traditional sensors only monitor fixed points, but with ClearSpot's drone-based inspection systems, sensor coverage becomes dynamic. Our autonomous drones collect thermal, visual, and irradiance data from hard-to-reach zones, like the center of a 100-megawatt field, or remote rooftops. Every flight feeds directly into ClearSpot's AI analytics engine, where temperature anomalies, string faults, and shading mismatches are detected within minutes, not days.
With ClearSpot, I see exactly what's impacting output. If irradiance is high but power drops, I instantly know where to look. Maybe it's soiling or a localized inverter fault.
That's the power of data fused with automation. Raw sensor readings are just the start. ClearSpot AI transforms millions of data points into actionable intelligence using advanced algorithms. Our platform compares real-time conditions with expected models, automatically flagging when something's off. Say your radiance is 1,000 watts per square meter, but your energy output is lower than expected. ClearSpot flags the anomaly, correlates it with temperature or shading data, and recommends next steps.
Sensor data isn't just numbers, it's context. It tells you why output is dropping and what to do about it. That's where we see a real efficiency gain.
Plants using ClearSpot's real-time insights have reported up to a 7% boost in annual efficiency just by optimizing response times and reducing downtime. Sensor data doesn't just react, it predicts. ClearSpot's predictive maintenance module uses long-term sensor trends to forecast failures before they impact energy output. For example, a gradual increase in module temperature paired with a voltage imbalance might signal a connector fault. Before it fails, the AI sends an alert, saving hours of downtime.
We've seen clients save thousands annually by fixing issues before they cascade into major losses. That's the real power of predictive analytics.
Let's look at a real example. A 75-megawatt solar plant in Rajasthan implemented ClearSpot's AI sensor analytics platform. Initially, their performance ratio was 81%. After 3 months of integrating sensor data, drone inspections, and automated cleaning alerts, the plant's PR jumped to 88%, a 7% efficiency gain, translating to nearly 25 lakh rupees in additional monthly output.
Before ClearSpot, we reacted after problems appeared. Now, we see them forming in the data and act before they hit performance.
The future of solar management lies in edge AI and digital twins. ClearSpot AI is pioneering real-time edge analytics, where sensors and drones analyze data on-site, reducing latency and bandwidth costs. And with digital twins, each sensor feeds into a virtual replica of your solar farm, simulating performance, predicting degradation, and planning maintenance with pinpoint accuracy.
Imagine knowing tomorrow's faults today. That's what sensor-driven intelligence enables.
From sunlight to signal, from data to decision, ClearSpot AI turns every sensor reading into a performance multiplier. It's not just about monitoring, it's about mastering your plant's health.
Sensor data is your competitive edge, and ClearSpot AI makes it smarter, faster, and more reliable.
Ready to supercharge your solar plant with sensor intelligence? Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.